On EV battery assembly lines, every screw matters, impacting safety and lifespan. Manual screwdriving is slow, inconsistent, and hard to trace. At a leading global battery manufacturer, Huayan Robotics S20 heavy payload robot is changing the game with an integrated vision system. S20 quickly locates screw positions, enabling flexible, multi-model production with rapid changeovers. It delivers high-precision screwdriving while capturing torque, angle, and time data in real time, ensuring full-quality traceability and compliance. 4 S20 robots work in sync, screwdriving all sides of the battery pack simultaneously, boosting efficiency by 300% and reducing cycle time to under 3 minutes. Line capacity increases by 2 to 3 times, perfectly matching high-throughput production. Huayan Robotics S20 heavy payload robot. Smarter, faster, safer battery assembly.